Hello everyone. Today we will make Maharashtrian delicacy, that is Naroli Bhat. Now this Naroli Bhat is been served on Naroli Purnima, that is on Raksha Bandhan. So to make Naroli Bhat we need ingredients such as we need to extract coconut milk from the tender coconut, okay, wet coconut. So I made this coconut milk, 1 glass of coconut milk, that is 250 ml. Then we need jaggery, 1 bowl of jaggery. We need rice. This is washed rice. Okay. In that case, you have to use the rice with the best aroma. So here I have used Indrayani rice. Then 1 cup of grated coconut. Then 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then 6 to 7 chopped almonds. This is startle. So we need to garnish this with startle. We need 4 to 5 pieces of cinnamon, and also cloves, raisins, cardamom powder, and salt as per taste. So let us start making it. Okay, now we will prepare Naroli Bhat. So I have just put on the gas. It has to be on a low flame. Put 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. After the ghee is melted, you have to just let it melt completely. You have to put cinnamon and cloves into it, because this will add up a very good aroma to the rice. Now we don't have to fry it, just we have to put it into a hot ghee, that's it. Then you have to put the chopped almonds. This also you don't need to fry it. And raisins. That's it. It's very easy to make Naroli Bhat. Now everything has just heated. Now we will put rice. As I told you, I have used Indrayani rice over here. So you put 1 bowl of rice into it. I have already washed it. You don't need to soak this rice. You just wash and take it and put it into the mixture. So 1 bowl of Indrayani rice. Mix it very well. Now just add a pinch of salt into it, little bit of salt just for taste. So much salt I am adding, because it is a sweet dish, so actually we don't need lots of salt to be added. So a little bit of salt. So, and then now we'll add the coconut milk into it. So 1 glass of coconut milk, stir it well and add it into the rice. So in this coconut milk itself, we have to boil the rice. Okay, we have to cook the rice. So it's very easy to prepare. Now you can, as I have used coconut milk, no need of using water. It's enough coconut milk. Just make a flame to medium and cover it with a lid and let it cook it very well. Now you can see here, this rice is very nicely cooked. Now on this cooked rice you will put jaggery. Now it depends on how sweet you want your rice. That much jaggery you will put and you will mix it properly. See, I have not yet switched off the gas flame. The gas flame is still on low. Okay, and you will mix it properly. It will change the color of the rice to golden brown because of a jaggery. Mix it properly. Now the rice here which I have used is a Indrayani rice, which has got a very good aroma. You will also put 1 grated bowl of coconut, that is a fresh coconut, and you will mix it. Now here I'm going to add a pinch of cardamom powder and also startle. Okay, so here I will add a pinch of cardamom powder, and you have to grate this startle into it, because when we are using jaggery we always need to grate a startle, because jaggery and startle go very well with one another. Okay, this is how you will grate the startle, and now you will mix all the ingredients. So this is the way you will prepare narori bhat. So narori bhat is now ready. When you are using sugar, if you are using sugar, then no need of using startle. But if you are using jaggery, then you always have to use startle. Mix the ingredients properly. If you want, you can use basmati rice as well, but I always prefer using Indrayani rice. Okay, so this is how it is prepared. So this is how you can serve the coconut rice, that is narori bhat. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video.